YouTube's audio library is a fantastic free tool for YouTube creators. The library has music and sound effects. In this video, I'm editing a new video that I'm making that is roughly 2 minutes long. So within the audio library, I can go into music, if I want attribution or not, and I can click on the duration I want for the track that will be listed, and then the genre and the mood. I was trying to go for something a little more upbeat. Once I found a song that I liked, I download it and I drag it straight into my video editing software. I'm using iMovie. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.